Hello, today we will guide you through how to AD API key in Google Colab. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to store an API key inside Google Colab using the built-in secrets feature. This is a helpful way to keep sensitive values out of your notebook code, especially if you plan to share the notebook with others or revisit it later. Instead of pasting a key directly into a code cell, you can save it more securely and reference it when needed. To begin, open Google Colab in your browser. You should be on the main Colab interface, sometimes labeled as the Welcome page. If you're not there yet, simply navigate to the Colab site and make sure the workspace has loaded completely before continuing. This gives you access to the notebook environment and the sidebar tools used in the next steps. Once you're in Colab, look to the left-hand navigation panel. In that sidebar, find the Secrets option and click on it. This area is designed for storing private values, such as API keys, tokens, or other credentials you don't want displayed directly in your notebook. If the sidebar is collapsed, you may need to expand it first so the available options are easier to see. After opening the Secrets section, click on Add New Secret. This will create a new entry where you can define the information you want Colab to store. Think of this as creating a labeled container for your key, so you can identify it later without exposing the secret itself in your notebook cells. Next, enter a sample name and value in the fields provided. The name is usually a clear label that helps you recognize what the secret is for, and the value is where the actual API key would go. When naming the secret, choose something simple and consistent, so it's easy to remember when you use it in code later. Be careful while typing the value, since even a small extra space or missing character can cause authentication errors. Once that information is entered, your secret is stored in Colab and can be used more safely than placing it directly in notebook code. As a general best practice, avoid sharing screenshots or recordings that reveal secret values on screen, and double-check that your notebook cells do not print them accidentally. That's it. You've successfully added an API key in Google Colab using the Secrets feature.